OMG, guess what? This is the Nikki Show.
Definition of ratchet.
She ratchet.
Definition of ratchet. All these black ghetto ass girls in here with these different color weaves, that's ratchet.
Mostly it's people who are loud, ranted, like
Loud.
yeah.
Ratchet mean you don't have respect for yourself. Like your hair ain't done, your feet dirty, you just ain't clean, and you ghetto. You talk loud.
Awesome.
Is obviously everything wrong in a person.
Like, you're just ugly as fuck, I guess. Like, it's whenever you're not matching and you have that stupid fucking polka dot shit on and then you got zebra pants and you're like, girl, that girl is so ratchet.
Ratchet. It's usually a tool.
A stupid hoe.
OMG, a sun drop.